फानिया में स्वागत है। यहाँ पर देखेंगे यूपी के एंट्रेंस एग्जाम 2021 के लिए जनरल नॉलेज की टेस्ट सीरीज पे यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस सेट 7 को तो आपके बायलैंग्वेज की टेस्ट सीरीज जो है उसके 45 पार्ट्स अपलोडेड हो चुके हैं, जो कि ओनली आपके यहाँ पे इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स के लिए अपलोडेड है। तो इसमें जो है आपका प्रैक्टिस सेट 7 है, जिसमें मोस्ट मोस्ट 25 क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। तो यहाँ पे शुरू करेंगे और आपकी स्क्रीन पर जो क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है उसका कमेंट करके जवाब जरूर दीजिए। आप लोग जवाब नहीं देते हैं तो कोशिश कीजिएगा जवाब इसका देने की, और इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि मैक्सिमम लोगों के पास चीज़ें पहुँच सके, ताकि मैं भी फटाफट इन वीडियोस को लेकर आ सकूँ। शुरू करेंगे और देखेंगे वन बाय वन सभी क्वेश्चंस। पहला क्वेश्चन रहा, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन रहा, व्हेन वाज द स्पेस कमीशन एंड द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्पेस एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन इंडिया। स्पेस कमीशन in established in 1972 and main was the space ISRO, which is the, if you want where is the headquarter and the who is the now is the chief, it's important for you. Headquarter in the Bengaluru and the K1. Next one, the goal of the Pune Pact was to represent. The goal of the Pune Pact was to represent descended costs by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. By Bhimrao Ambedkar, who was the president. How is the nitrogen used by the plants? Nitrogen used by plants to nitrate. Next one, what is the innermost layer of earth called? Innermost layer, it's called the core. Core is the innermost part of the earth. Next one, which of the following continent does not have a single volcano? कॉन्टिनेंटल की बात यहाँ पे की जा रही है, ठीक है। विच कॉन्टिनेंट इज डज नॉट ए सिंगल वोल्केनो? दैट्स द ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ऑस्ट्रेलिया हैव डज नॉट एनी वोल्केनो. विच कैनाल कनेक्ट्स द मेडिटेरियन सी एंड द रेड सी? मेडिटेरियन सी एंड द रेड सी कनेक्टेड बाई सुएज कैनाल. Suez Canal. Here is the Mediterranean Sea and it's the Red Sea, and it's the canal, which name? Suez Canal. Which spacecraft, including the first man, landed on the moon? Apollo 11. Which one the in the Neil Armstrong in that spacecraft? Which of these organizations work for refugee internationally? First of all organizations headquarters and the establishment years known you. That's the important for you. All headquarters and the established days are years. Organization work for refugees, UNHCR. UNHCR, United Nations Human Camps Refugee. The main objective of the Antyodaya program is to develop. Main objective of the Antyodaya program is to develop to of very poor persons related to Antyodaya program. When did Vasco da Gama reach Calicut? Vasco da Gama reached to Calicut in Kerala in 1498. And the Columbus surged to the West Indies in the 1492. It's called the New World and America. Who was the discovered the America? Columbus in 1492. Who discovered the West Indies? Columbus. 1488 Cape of Good Hope. Cape of Good Hope. Cape of Good Hope by Bartholomew Diaz. Cape of Good Hope is situated on the South Africa last point. Next one, the provincial of the fundamental duties has been taken from the constitution of the which country? Fundamental duties have been taken from the Russia, and the fundamental rights taken from the USA. Fundamental rights taken to USA and the fundamental duties to Russia. Next one, who was the scholar who accompanied Mahmud Ghaznavi during the India campaign? What's the right answer of the 12th? Right answer is the Al-Biruni. Al-Biruni came with the Mahmud Ghaznavi. Next one, the maximum number of the days and the legislative council can stop the implementation of a money bill is. That's the also same for Rajya Sabha. It's the right answer is the 14 days. Also related, the Rajya Sabha is the same. Next one, the first match of the first World Cup cricket 1975 was played at the Lord's, where is the London, and between. First match between England and India, and the winner was the 1915 World Cup West Indies. West Indies was the winner and the runner was the England. Where is the famous Meenakshi temple located? That's the very simple question. In the right answer is the Madurai. Madurai in this situated on the Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. It's the right answer. Next one, which was the first satellite launched by India? What's the right answer of the 16 number? Right answer is the Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was the India first satellite which was the launched by India. Tropic of Cancer passed through how many states of India? Tropic of Cancer passed through how many states of India? Its right answer is the 8. 8. Which of the norm? First one, Gujarat. Second one, Rajasthan. Third one, Madhya Pradesh. Fourth one, Jharkhand. And fifth one, Chhattisgarh. And the sixth one is the West Bengal. And the seventh one is the Tripura. And the eighth one is the Manipur. Okay. Next one, president rule is a state means that the state is sorry, it's the Manipur, not it's the Mizoram. It's Mizoram, not the Manipur, it's the Mizoram. Tripura and Mizoram, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Next one, president's rule in the state means that the state is governed by. What's the right answer? Right answer is the governor. Next one, What are the temperate grassland of the North America called? Right answer is the prairie. It's the grasslands. And the wild on the South Africa. And steppe on the called it's Asia. And the pampas it's called the Argentina. Argentina are downs called in Australia. It's no and they remember it. Next one, which is the leading producer of wheat? The leading producer of the wheat is the China, and the second one is the India. And the India most producer wheat state is the UP. Next one, what was the Indus Valley civilization like? What's the right answer? Right answer is the first Bronze Age civilization. Next one, which of the following never decomposes? Right answer is the Rajya Sabha. If a legislative assembly if here did not Rajya Sabha, then legislative assembly is also the right answer. Next one, who was the great painter who painted verse in Jahangir's court? That right answer is the Mansoor. Jahangir was the also a great painter. Next one, which country is known as the bone of Nile River? Bone of the Nile River is the called Egypt. Nile River is the world longest and largest river. Longest and largest both was the Nile. It's a in the born on the Victoria Lake. Next one, who is the head of India's audit and auditor systems? For PDF, join us on the Telegram. Final exam with Ashish sir. What's the right answer of the 25th? It's the last question. Right answer is the Comptroller and Auditor General. It's related to Article 78. Completed 25 all questions. Now it's a complete your video and meet next video. Thank you.